Hello, my name is the Old Mechanic. Welcome back in my shed. What are we gonna do today? Today we're gonna mount the front camera of the CHIGEE on my BMW R1200 GS from 2010. I got the CHIGEE connected to my power supply, and now I'm gonna see where I have to mount, where I can mount the front camera. I would say, come on over and we start. Here I got my front camera. Then we look for this the back and this front. Connect it. Pop. And I already think I found a nice place, which is over here. Maybe that it hangs in front of my oil cooler. I have a double-sided tape. I think it's called. At least it's sticky on both sides, so I can temporarily fit it. Just for the fun. Up now. Camera. Oh. Yes. And then let's say over here. Work up. It's not exactly in the middle, but we have to turn the camera around, and that's easy, I think. Yes, there is a small Torx. The camera has an arrow which side is up. So we loosen. Okay. See, this is something. Wait a minute. A bit more. So let's see. Yep. 3. We're gonna drill. Old mechanic. Yeah. What's the problem? You're gonna drill holes in your bike. Yeah, so what? And guess what? Not one hole, but 4. We're gonna take this one away for now. In a moment I'm gonna put the CHIGEE off, but then guys, there is some sticky tape with it, but I never trust it. There is this nice round emblem thing, and I'm gonna hold it like there, and nope, I need another. Let's see. I have a drill of 3. Then again I'm gonna hold it in the middle and maybe I drill it right away. Okay, then guys, okay, I have my tiny 3mm nuts. I always like to bolt it. I don't trust that glue stuff. Sure, I'm gonna drop it. No, no dropping today. This one. Hop. No. Hey, see? Bah! Flik het eronderin. Yes. Now guys, now we're going to drill these 2 holes. Is that difficult? No, not at all. Oh, I think over here. Good. God, yes. Hoppa. Oh, old mechanic. Reboot. Silver screw into it. Silver collet. Slightly bigger, longer. So, there and then in the middle. Oh yeah. What? This is a tool. Watch. You can screw into here. And it comes out over there. And then I think this one. Hop, squeeze it. And then try to get it out. Oop. So, with the screwdriver. Let's see, guys, if this is not too long. Yeah, it's a bit on the long side. Gonna do some more. Then again, like this. Okay, up. Easy, eh? Yeah. Take it out. Yes, perfect. Then we have a tiny little washer and a tiny little nut. I hate it, I hate it, I drop it. Yes. Okay. Okay. Not too tight for the moment. Then we have his brother Louis. Let's see. Oh, yes. Okay. Again, we take my tool, screw it in. Even kijken this. Let's see. Yes. Up. Don't have to hacksaw it, and as you turn it out, it sort of deburrs it. So I say sort of. Perfect. Exactly the length. Then we take another unbelievable tiny washer. Huh? And a tiny nut. It's all. Oh. Oh, this one goes in easy, huh? Like, hop. Let's see. Tiny bit more. This is for the... Hey, wait a minute. As you can see, the camera is a bit not perfectly horizontal, so we're gonna turn it a bit. But let's see. Not sure if that's... Yes, that's... This is perfect. Okay. That's to the ground. That is... This should be, I think, a bit... up higher. Higher and higher. Baby. Ah. Hop. Then it's clouds there. No, now it's too much up. This is the way I like it, I think. Yes. It's now from there to there. Not think this is perfect. Yep. Now guys, let's see. Over there I mounted the camera. See? So, a bit to this side. That's the underside. Above we have the screws, which I don't mind. The cable is still going but in a moment we're gonna now let's see what the view is on the CHIGEE. Let's do it from this side. Watch carefully. Pop, 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 pop. Watch. Now that's perfect, isn't it? It's my light. Oh.